Hi guys, I'm Jimbo and welcome back to another devlog where I show you the progress of my indie game. Today we are diving into a basic implementation of the new features I'm currently designing. I've always loved playing survival games, so I wanted to find the elements I enjoy most about this genre and see if I could incorporate them into my game. After brainstorming and reflecting on the games I've played and loved, three main themes emerged: character customization, resource management, and crafting. I delved into how these aspects could enhance the gameplay loop I'm designing. Admittedly, I'm still in the prototype phase where everything seems interesting until it's implemented and tested. Nevertheless, one feature that stands to benefit from all these survival elements is the equipment system. Let me explain how the equipment feature will impact my game. Players will have the ability to equip various items, including weapons, shields, helmets, torso armor, arm armor, and leg armor. Each piece of equipment will consist of a certain number of parts. For instance, weapons may require 3 parts, while helmets require 2. These parts can be crafted using the resources players collect throughout the game. Additionally, each part will possess a health bar. Using the equipment, such as striking an enemy with a weapon, will result in wear and tear, reducing the health of its parts. Once a part breaks, the equipment will be removed. To restore the equipment, players will need to repair the damaged parts, or create new ones. Players can manage their equipment through the player build UI, which is divided into equipment classes and type sections. They can create multiple equipment classes for each type, enabling them to quickly switch builds based on the situation. Furthermore, equipment will influence movement and combat. Each part has its own modifiers, such as damage, defense, and weight. Players will be classified in 3 weight categories: light, normal, and heavy. This weight subdivision will be used in 2 cases. The first one is for the total weight of the equipment the player has. The category will impact movement, potentially slowing down or speeding up the character, and also change movement animations. As for now, I haven't found the right animations for each category, and I'm looking to purchase some from the asset stores. I also want to take this opportunity to mention that I've opened a Ko-fi profile to help sustain the game's costs. If you're interested in supporting the project, you can contribute via the link in the description. Now, returning to the second use of the weight subdivision, which is for the weight of the weapon only. The category will allow the player to use specific attack sets. So, the attack sets aren't tied to a specific weapon anymore, but to a weight category. This will result in heavy weapons, for example, using attack sets that are more appropriate to this kind of weapon. This equipment system has also necessitated the implementation of a basic inventory system to store all the collected resources and items. Lastly, I made the UI gamepad compatible for ease of control. That wraps up today's devlog. Thanks for joining me and be sure to stay tuned for the next episode. Bye!